Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, silver closed above 6% on the 1-hour chart. We are at overbought levels on the RSI, and we still remain on positive MACD. As for the 4-hour chart, we also remain at positive MACD, and we're at overbought levels on the RSI. We have yet to breach above the 150 moving average, that is red line, so it's going to act as our temporary resistance at the price of $25.28. And as for the daily chart, what we have at this moment, we still remain on negative MACD, and if we zoom back in, we starting to see signs of it converging, and we're off of oversold conditions on the daily RSI. We did bounce right off the 100-day moving average, this orange line. So if we do manage to reverse down lower, the next possible support, as indicated back in September 24th, will be this 100-day moving average at the price of $22.74. On the other hand, the next possible resistance will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. We have yet to test it, and that is at the price of $26.21. So the price movement from to resistance is roughly around, say, 4%, into support level, that price movement is around 10%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. So my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $22.34, which is this range right here, and that coincides with the 9-day moving average, this blue line. As for my sell target for my long will be $23.94, and my stop loss will be $21.83. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, that would be at $24.48, which is this range right here. And my sell target for it will be $22.88, and my stop loss will be $25.04. So whichever price entry hits it first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 4.6%, and to the downside, we have a 40% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4.6%, and a 10% chance for it to fall between negative 4.6% to negative 9%. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.